Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Talking about earthquakes and tornadoes. Earthquakes become from the ground. They shake the earth beneath you. They shake the ground beneath you. So when you're in a room and there's an earthquake, then the walls will come down on you. Depends on how powerful the earthquake is. When it has a magnitude of 6.1, nothing will happen. When it's 8.0, then the walls will break beneath you. You will die in the room. Yes, tornadoes are commonly seen in America, in USA, United States of America. The tornadoes they come from wind, hard wind. It twirls on the ground in circle form. Then you have hard wind. Then you have a tornado. When it gets stronger, the wind becomes stronger, the tornado becomes stronger. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Tornadoes and earthquakes. You had fun, we had fun, we had fun. Tornadoes and earthquakes. Talk about tornadoes and earthquakes. You had fun, we had fun, we had fun.